on the first step of your preparing of your data, that is how to define your variable. It means that you need to give a code name to your items for your variable in your study. Okay, so you can open up your SPSS, and over here you can see there are two windows, that is data view and then variable view. So we stick to variable view and take a look at these columns. Okay, and you have to have your questionnaire with you ready. Okay, so first here we have to type ID. This is your respondent's number. Okay, next, okay, let's say you have 3 items for your demographic, that is in section A. So maybe we have gender and age, and another one maybe we have marital status. Okay, so I just write down here marital. So my first variable, that is leadership maybe. Okay, so I have 3 items in leadership, so I give a name or code L1, okay, and then L2, and then L3. Okay, for my second IV, I have communication maybe. Okay, so I have COMM4, COMM5, COMM6. Maybe I have 4 items, so MN7. Okay, for the next IV, for my trust IV, so I just type T. Maybe I have another 3 items in my trust variable, so I give a code name T8, and then T9, and then T10. Okay, and last I have my dependent variable, that is motivation. So I give a code name MOT 11, MOT 12, MOT 13. Maybe I have 4 items in this motivation variable, MOT 14. Okay, so after that, you need to look at the values over here. Don't go to ID, but you give straight away, go to gender. Look at the values. Okay, just click here and you can see the blue box over here. Click the blue box. Okay, you just give value 1 for gender. We have male. Okay, and then add. Okay, value 2, we have female, and then we add. Okay, and then click OK. So for age, okay, we have to give the range for the age. For example, value 1, I give from 18 years old to 25 years old. Okay, add, and value number 2, okay, the range is 26 to 30 years old. Okay, and then value 3, maybe 31 years old and above. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, and then I have marital status. I will give value 1 for single. Okay, and then value 2 for married. And okay, you can have another value 3, maybe divorcee or others. It's up to you, and based on your questionnaire. Okay, and for L1, this is my leadership. Okay, I have 3 items, L1, 2, and 3. So I need to give the scale. So based on the questionnaire, this is a Likert scale. I have 5 points of Likert scale. So I just click on the blue box and I give value 1 is strongly agree. And then 2, I give agree. The label is agree. Add, and then 3. Okay, the label is neither nor if you want, if you don't want. Also, if you have 4, then it should be 4. If you have 5, should be 5. So add, and I have 4 is disagree. Disagree. And add, you can just enter if you want. 5, and I have strongly disagree. Okay. So we are finished with this one. Okay, what happened to the rest of the items? This is my second variable. This is third variable. This is my DV, motivation. So what I do, I just right click and then copy. And then I just move the cursor over here, shift, and I use the arrow to highlight everything. Okay. And then I just right click and then paste. See, it's all there for you. Okay, next what we have to do is look at the measure, the scale. Okay. For gender, this is a nominal, so we should click nominal. Okay. This is all demographic, is nominal. And for the rest of it, okay, this is a Likert scale. So we need to put scale here. So you have to finish this one with scale. Okay, you can just copy and paste. Okay, I'm just doing this to teach you. Okay, and then after that, after you have finished with this one, you can go to your data view here, and you can look at the column up here. You see all the variables are here: gender, age, marital, L1 to L3, communication 4 to communication 7, and until you have your DB mode 11 until mode 14. Okay, so this is how you define your variable in SPSS. Wait for part 2. Second step is entering your data. Bye.